Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 12. The threefold fruit of action, evil, good, and mixed, accrues after death only to those who have no spirit of abandonment, never to total relinquishers.
Chapter 18, Shloka 12. Anishtamishtamishrancha trividham karmana phalam bhavatyattyaginam prethya nadu sannyasinam kvachit.
Chapter 18, Shloka 12. The benefits which come from Tyag are explained. Three categories of abandonment, Tyag, that is of physical, of speech, and of mind, on which the results of all actions depend, have been explained earlier. Different types of reactions that are produced are described now. Action is the projection of a desire in the world, and according to the purity of motive and the serenity of composure of the actor, an impression is left behind at the end of every action called vasanas, which determine the future actions. The total reactions gained by the mind's working in the world are of three types: the positively bad, 2, positively good, and 3, the mixed type of balanced or average. In the constant flow of time, the present determines the immediate future, and therefore these tendencies determine our reactions to our environment in the immediate future. And also, this principle extends to future life. If the vasanas are good, sattvic, the mind will discover a good destiny. If they are low animal vasanas, then they will find fulfillment in a lower life. And when the tendencies for good and bad are equal, then they enter the world of action. If an individual was to identify himself with the higher and live up to the ideals as best as he can, the higher vasanas will multiply and ultimately silence the lower completely. The transcendence of the ego is only possible when the conditionings have totally ended and the vasanas are rendered powerless to keep the pure spirit away. Difference between abandonment, tyaga, and renunciation, sannyasa, becomes clear when Lord says that for a man of renunciation, there is no reaction either to the actions done in the past or to actions undertaken by him in the present. Tyag is the capacity to withdraw moment to moment from the impulses of the mind, while sannyas is the total renunciation of the entire tendencies, both good and bad, from their crystallization as the ego. Thus, renouncing our indulgence with the past and leaving all our anxieties for the future to serve the world as a service to the Lord is abandonment, tyag. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.